Folks, ever wished you could make videos that don't just look cool, but actually tell a story people watch till the end? Well, that's exactly what we're exploring today. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. We're diving into Medeo, a platform that can turn a single idea into a full narrative video. From script to voiceover, everything is in one chat. Most tools give you flashy 3-second clips, but Medeo builds full stories up to 10 minutes long that actually engage your audience. We'll walk through two workflows. First, creating a funny, viral short with the Tiny Factory template, and then making a cinematic promo with the Immersive Sensory template. Friends, you can try all of this yourself with their free trial. No risk, just test it out and see if it fits your workflow. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this tool is all about. Guys, Medeo is a platform for creators and entrepreneurs that doesn't just make random clips, but builds full stories. It can take a single idea from you and turn it into a complete narrative video. Forget about paying for 5 different tools. This AI writes the script, generates visuals, and puts it all together in one simple chat interface. Folks, let me show you how it works on my computer. By the way, they offer a free trial, so you can follow along with me. Here we are on Medeo's main screen. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can skip complicated settings and use recipes, pre-made visual templates that style your video. There's everything from cinematic Minecraft shots to studio-level brand ads, videos with cute pets, and plenty of presets to spark your creativity. Today, we're making an explainer video, something that's not just pretty, but interesting too. I am picking the Tiny Factory template to show how programming works from the inside. All we need to do is type in our idea using this preset. I'll write a prompt to explain how complex systems work, like processors, servers, and more. Then, mates, I hit generate and watch the script come together in a visual workspace. I'm leaving the settings on auto. The AI will pick the best models, resolution, and window size for my prompt. I love how it works step by step. First generating 4 clips, then stitching them into one cohesive sequence. Everything is in a super friendly visual editor. You don't need any editing skills, but the platform gives you full control. You have media, an audio script with captions you can toggle on or off, and here are the 4 clips it generated. Folks, let's take a look. And voila, a polished video. The script even breaks down what each clip does. For example, how they fight viruses, defeat them, and protect against the next ones. But the biggest advantage is control. If you want to change something in the video, you don't have to hunt for complex buttons or tools. Just type your request in the chat, and the system makes the adjustments automatically. For instance, friends, right now we only have visuals, but the real story needs a voiceover. Let's ask the assistant to add one. I'll have it generate a professional voiceover. The AI not only creates the audio, but also adds a few extra segments. Now our clip is 26 seconds long, and here it is.
Every second, your computer processes millions of data packets, moving information safely through its circuits. Antivirus software acts like a security team, constantly organizing and monitoring your files. When a virus attacks, the antivirus springs into action, detecting and isolating the threat before it spreads. The malicious code is eliminated, and your data remains protected behind secure defenses.
And as you can see, here it is, a full, polished explainer video that actually tells a story. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Folks, let's make something viral and funny. I am using the popular Rage Logic template, perfect for short, humorous stories that grab views. I pick the preset and type in my idea. I go with a 9:16 vertical format and leave everything else on auto. The AI model is picked automatically too. Then I hit generate, and just like that, it creates a short about the everyday struggles of any programmer. It even builds a full storyline with a clear flow. The AI gets the humor, splits the story into scenes, and adds the right emotions with no editing or drawing needed. It stitches everything into one video, keeping viewers hooked until the very last second. Guys, here's the final result. A funny take on a typical situation.
6 hours. One critical error. The website is down. Users are complaining. Our junior developer dives into the code, line by line, Stack Overflow, documentation, debugging tools. Nothing works. The panic sets in. Coffee becomes survival fuel. 6 hours later, the truth emerges. One missing semicolon.
Not bad, and I like the result. Next, let's try a tool for businesses and brands, the Immersive Sensory template. It makes cinematic videos with amazing detail and atmosphere. Originally for product ads or fitness brands, we'll adapt it for an educational project, a kids coding school. I start with the Immersive Sensory template in 9:16 format. I describe my idea, a focused child's face, and the magic of writing their first line of code. It's perfect for promos that really connect with viewers, without renting a studio or hiring a crew. Just type your idea in the chat. Now let's see the result. Okay, the AI even adds background music automatically. For a full promo, we need a voiceover. The audio script panel is empty, but no worries, you don't need to write it yourself or use another service. Any changes can be made directly in chat. I then ask the assistant to generate a professional voiceover, and in seconds it writes the script, creates the voice, and syncs it perfectly. Turn on captions, and the video is ready to watch.
Where a single line of code can spark infinite possibilities. This is the moment. Your fingers on the keys, your mind racing with wonder. Watch as letters transform into light, as logic becomes magic. You're not just writing code, you're creating the future. Kids Coding Academy, where code comes to life.
Folks, hit export, remove the watermark, and you can upload it anywhere. As you can see, Medeo isn't like typical video AI tools. It doesn't just make short, pretty clips. It builds full stories with style, visuals, and narrative. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up. Medeo makes creating videos incredibly easy. You can experiment with ideas, tweak scenes instantly, and watch your vision come to life in real time. It's perfect for anyone who wants professional-looking content without spending hours learning complicated tools or juggling multiple apps. Whether you're making promos, tutorials, or social content, this platform gives you everything in one place, so you can focus on storytelling instead of editing. And guys, just a quick reminder, there's a free trial, so go try it yourself. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and till next time.